Hello! In today's video, we are going to play with another Hot Wheels Workshop track builder set, the exploding shed. On the back of the box we have what comes inside it. We have other tracks available for 2014. And right here we have the instructions paper. And then we have a little paper with stickers. And we have everything that comes in this little set. And that is just a few pieces. So let's put it together and see how it looks. If you want to have fun with this set, you also need one piece of track, at least one piece of track, and one launcher. Not only this type, you need any other kind of launchers, even a booster if you have one. So let's put it together. Obviously it's very easy. And the launcher at the other end. This is it. And we have the dynamite ready. Let's put the shed together. And let's bomb it. But aren't we missing something? And the Super Stinger is going to be the lucky first one. And let's start and detonate that shed. Looks like we didn't have too much dynamite for the Super Stinger. Let's try the Batmobile. The Batmobile should be stronger. It's Batman, isn't it? So let's launch it. We had enough explosions for one day. This was the Hot Wheels track builder, the exploding shed. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more future videos. And let's see one more detonation.